My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Can I hear the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your